Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to your Godaddy website. First, log into your account. At the top right, click on your name, then go to My Products. From there, select the websites you want to work with. Once you're in, look at the right side and click on the Edit Website button. At the top ribbon, you'll see the Publish button. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll have an option to either choose an existing GoDaddy domain you already own or use the free domain provided by GoDaddy. If you don't own a domain yet, you can go to the GoDaddy homepage and use the search bar to type in the domain name you want. If it's available, you can purchase it right away. After completing your purchase, return to your website editor. Now, click Publish again. This time, select this time, select Change My Domain. From here, you'll see a list of all the domains you own with GoDaddy. Just pick the one you want to connect to your website. Once you've made your selection, click Continue, and GoDaddy will handle the connection for you. After a short while, your domain will be live and linked to your GoDaddy website. And that's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.